Okay. Okay. Today we're going to discuss about list concepts in Python. So in Python, it is a specific data type. That is, it is a versatile data type. It is a sequence of. It is a sequence in which elements are written as a list of. It's separated by commas in between square. It will be done with the help of square brackets. Here it having some key features. The elements can be belongs to different data types. For example, the syntax is the list variable, so it can be the user defined name. That is equal to this within the square bracket we can mention any data type variables with separated by commas. Then, for example, we have mentioned here few list of examples. The first one is list A. So it is having three elements. First one is ROM, then Chennai, then 2017. If it is string data type, we can mention either a single or double quotes. Uh, then second one is list B having five different integer elements. There is list of numbers. Then third one is empty list. Then fourth one we have nested list. Here each and every element can be separated by comma. Here within the list we can mention one more list as an element for the outer list. Okay, so that is called nested list within list concept. Then if you want to print the list, entire list, we can mention the list name in print statement. It is like print list A. So that means it will print the entire list like ROM, Chennai and 2017. For example, if you print list B, comma list C means it will print both the list like for list A, B having 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, then followed by list C is empty list. There is no elements. So it will print all the elements together which is exist in the both list. Okay. The next one is if it is list C, it will print the nested list, entire nested list. Then if you want to print the specific element, we can mention the corresponding, the appropriate index value of the element which is in the list. For example, list D of 3 means the here in the list also when we having it is an ordered sequence, the sequence will be starts from the index position 0. If it is 3 means it will print like Mumbai and India. That means here list D having four elements 0, 1, 2, 3. Then third element is an inner list. So if we mention list D of 2, it will print 99.8. If it is list of 3 means here the third index position having one more entire list like Mumbai and India. So Mumbai and India will be printed in the sequence. Nested list. The next one, the nested list means it is a list within a list. It will be explained in the previous itself. The next one is basic list operations. Here, the following table is given the operations performed on list. First operation is len. That means it will return the length of the list. For example, if the particular list having 5 or 6 elements, if we mention the length of either list name or entire list, it will count the how many elements which is present in the invoking list. Second one is concatenation. So concatenation operation is used for to join two lists. Here the list can be concatenated by using the plus operator. For example, list A having two elements, list B having three elements. For example, if you want to concatenate both the list, that is list A plus list B. That means the entire list will be added, that will be stored in the list A itself. Then repetition. So here if you want to print the list, if it is int 2, it will print the entire list two times. That is it will repeat the list by using star operator. The next one is in and not in, that is it is membership operator. um, Whether if it is a in the mentioned list, it will return, it is a binary value, that is if it is present in the list, it will return only true. If it is not present in the list, it will return false. It is binary value, either true or false statement will be returned by using the membership operators. The next one is max. That means max of list. That means the whether the list having which is the maximum value, that will be written by using the max statement. Then the min. So min, it returns the minimum value which is present in the list. For example, in this list 1, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 5, here it is 1 is the minimum value, so 1 will be printed. The next one is sum. So it adds the value which is in the present in the list. For example, if the list having 6 different elements, for example n is equal to 1, 4, 6, 8, 10, 5. If you print the sum of n, means it the sum is a function, it is used to add all the uh, existing elements which is present in the list. The total value will be returned. That is the purpose of sum operator. Then next one is all. The all is written true if all the elements in the list are true. That means whether the list having all non-zero values or not. If it is having all the elements are non-zero value, if you mention all of the list name, it will return false when the list having zero element. Zero element in the sense the particular element value will be zero. So if it is any, that returns true if any element in the list is true. That means any one of the element is non-zero value, it will return 2. Here if it is all, means yeah, all the elements are non-zero values, then it will return true. That is the difference between print, that is the difference between all and any function. The next one is a list. It converting tuple, string, set or dictionary into list. That means for example, but on or particular identifier is equal to list of some value that will on string, the string will be converted into list. That means, for example, if it is list of hello, so hello is a string, so it having five alphabets, so each alphabet will be separated by comma, then that will be converted into list. So the entire string will be converted into list. Each and every element in this string will be considered as element which is separated by comma operator. That is automatically done with the help of the function list. The next one is sorted. That means it returns the new sorted element. For example, if the list having unordered sequence, that is random numbers are existing. If we use sorted a function, the all the elements will be sorted in ascending order, and that will be printed in the console. Okay, so that is list. So these are all the basic functions which is in the list data type in Python language. The next one is access values in list. That means here the slicing operation will be done with the help of indexing. It is similar to string. List can be also sliced unconcatenated. To access the values in the list, square brackets are used to slice along with the index or indexes to get values stored at the index value. For example, the sequence is equal to list name of start, stop and step. That means whether if you are giving for example, let us discuss with the example. If we consider the first example, if it is a is equal to, so 1 to 10, the sequence of 10 elements are there. If I am giving print a, the entire elements will be printed from 1 to 10. If I am giving print of a of 2 to 5, means it will print only the index from 2 to 4. So not it moved to the fifth position. 2, 3, 4. That is 3, 4, 5 will be printed. That is, it is index position starts from 2, 3 and 4. So the output will be 3, 4, 5. If it is, if we mention a of double quotes 2, that means it by default the index value starts from 0. It should be it should be end with end of the list. Then last index position is step. That means the alternate element will be printed from the starting index position. So 1 2 will be skipped, then 3 4 will be skipped, then 5 then 6 will be skipped. Likewise the alternate elements will be printed with the help of the statement. The next one is 1 double colon 3. That means the starting index position must be 1 not 0. Then it will be end in the end of the list. Here it will be skipped two alternate elements. For example, the first element will be considered, second and third will be omitted, then third element, the next third, next third, next third. Likewise the elements will be considered in the console window for display the elements. So likewise we process, we get the output as 2 5 and 8. Then list methods. So we have a number of list methods. We will discuss the few important methods. The first one is append. So append is an element, appends the element to the list. That means we can add the